Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ryobi 18V is probably one of the most sought-after power sources for cordless tools, offering a balance of power, portability, and convenience. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 18V batteries, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional tradespeople. We'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Number 5. Ryobi ONE+ 18V 4.0 All Lithium-Ion Battery. This is the Ryobi ONE+ 18V 4.0 All Lithium-Ion Battery. It offers a great balance of power and runtime for your tools. With this battery, you can get more done. Get up to 3 times more runtime with this battery. It allows you to work longer without needing to stop and recharge. This is perfect for those long jobs. The high-visibility LED fuel gauge clearly shows the remaining runtime. You can easily see how much power is left. This helps you plan your work more efficiently. The compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for any job. It is easy to handle and won't weigh you down. It is designed for comfort and ease of use. Included is one 18V ONE+ 4.0 All Lithium-Ion battery. It's a reliable power source for your ONE+ tools. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This battery's compact design makes it perfect for any job. It offers up to 3x more runtime, ensuring you can power through your tasks. If you are looking for a battery that combines power and portability, you should consider this one. What people say. Quality battery lasts long and works great with all my Ryobi stuff. Powerful battery. Long-lasting and it charges relatively fast, 30 minutes. OEM battery to add to my set of Ryobi tools. Long life and fast charge. Number 4. Ryobi ONE+ 18V 4.0 A Battery 2-Pack and Charger Kit. Introducing the Ryobi ONE+ 18V Lithium-Ion 4.0 A Battery 2-Pack and Charger Kit. This kit includes 2 powerful batteries and a charger, everything you need to keep your tools running. It's a great addition to any toolbox. This kit comes with 2 18V ONE+ Lithium-Ion 4.0 A batteries. They provide plenty of power for a variety of tasks. You'll be able to work longer with these batteries. These batteries offer up to 3 times more runtime. That means less downtime and more productivity for you. It's designed to keep you working efficiently. The kit also includes a charger compatible with all Ryobi 18V ONE+ Lithium-Ion batteries. This ensures that you can charge all your Ryobi batteries with ease. It's a convenient and versatile charging solution. The Ryobi ONE+ kit includes the batteries, the charger, and an operator's manual. It's a complete package designed to get you started right away. This kit is a great value. What we like. This kit includes 2 batteries and a charger, providing great value. The charger is compatible with all Ryobi 18V ONE+ Lithium-Ion batteries. If you are looking for a complete solution to keep your tools running, you should consider this kit. What people say. The performance of the 4.0 A battery is outstanding. It provides ample power and runtime for my Ryobi tools, ensuring that I can tackle various tasks without frequent interruptions for recharging. Having interchangeable batteries and a charger that works seamlessly across the Ryobi tool lineup is a game changer. These batteries are holding up well and hold a much better charge than the original Ryobi batteries that came with my saw. These have a higher amp-hour rating, so they are a little bigger. Number 3. FERRYBOAT 2-Pack P108 18V 7.0 A Ryobi Replacement Battery. Introducing the FERRYBOAT P108 replacement battery, designed for your Ryobi 18V tools. This 2-pack ensures you always have a spare, ready to go when you need it. This battery is perfectly compatible with a wide range of Ryobi models, including P102, P103, and many more. It seamlessly integrates with your existing 18V system. With a 7,000 mAh capacity, it provides longer run times and lasting performance. You can work longer without needing to recharge. Built-in safety features protect against overcharging, overdischarge, and short circuits. This ensures the battery's longevity and your safety. It's CE and ROHS certified and tested to match OEM products. Plus, it comes with a 12-month warranty to address any quality issues. Contact us if you have any problems, and we will help you. What we like. This battery offers a high capacity of 7,000 mAh, providing longer run time. It also has multiple safety protections for a safer experience. If you need a battery that can handle heavy-duty tasks and last longer, you should consider this one. What people say. The battery life is great. It works perfectly with all my Ryobi tools. This battery is a great replacement for my old one. Number 2. Ryobi P118B charger and P18918V 1.5Ah battery combo. This combo pack includes a battery charger and a battery. It's designed for the OnePlus power tool system, providing a convenient power solution. Please note that this package contains only the battery and charger. The power tools themselves are not included in this set. This combo is part of the OnePlus system. This means it's compatible with a wide range of Ryobi tools, offering versatility and convenience. The P118B charger can charge all OnePlus batteries in about 60 minutes. This ensures you spend less time waiting and more time working. The P189 battery pack delivers 1.5 Ah of fade-free power. It provides consistent performance throughout its use, helping you get the job done. What we like. The charger in this combo charges all OnePlus batteries in 60 minutes or less. The battery offers fade-free power, ensuring consistent performance. If you need a quick charging solution with reliable power, you should consider this combo. What people say. So far, it is working much better and has lasted longer than the original. Works great, been using every week and charges perfectly text_thumbs_up. Number 1. Ryobi OnePlus 18V Lithium-Ion 4.0 Ah battery, 2-pack. Introducing the Ryobi OnePlus 18V Lithium-Ion 4.0 Ah battery, a powerhouse for your tools. This 2-pack ensures you always have a charged battery ready to go. This battery is compatible with over 225 different 18V OnePlus tools. It's the perfect addition to your existing Ryobi collection, or a great start to a new one. The 4.0 Ah capacity provides extended runtime, allowing you to work longer without interruption. It delivers consistent power throughout its use. The lithium-ion technology offers fade-free power, meaning it maintains its performance until it's time to recharge. It also has a longer lifespan than older battery types. With this 2-pack, you'll always have a spare battery on hand. This is ideal for larger projects or when you need to keep working without delay. What we like. This 2-pack battery is compatible with over 225 18V OnePlus tools. It offers a 4.0 Ah capacity, providing ample power for various tasks. If you already own a lot of Ryobi tools and need extra batteries, you should consider this one. What people say. Good replacement battery. Charged quickly. Feels like today's standard quality, but surprisingly, it's still holding up. I even accidentally left it outside in my vehicle in low-digit temps and had no issues, albeit you gotta warm it back up to a certain temp before use in order not to damage it. Funktionieren muy bien. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.